Today, October 1, 2009 is a day that will go down in scientific history. American and Ethiopian researchers have discovered the oldest fossil skeleton of a human ancestor. The new skeleton is a 110-pound female nicknamed Ardi, her full name being Ardipithecus remitus. The surprise to experts is how little she resembles an ape. Dr. Tim White from the University of California at Berkeley explains. Thank you, Alan. Ardi is like nothing we have ever seen before. Right as scientists discovered parts of her, they knew she was a human-like ancestor because she had teeth for chewing, not fighting. An analysis of her hands also showed that she did not walk on her knuckles like a gorilla. Instead, it showed that Ardi could walk upright on two legs. This took some researchers by surprise. It is not a chimp, it is not a human, it's not even something that you can go see at the zoo. And while it is not the common ancestor of humans and chimpanzees, it is the closest we have been able to find so far. Before now, the oldest complete hominid found was Lucy. Lucy, approximately 3.2 million years old, is one of the most famous early human ancestors. The change between Lucy and Ardi is extraordinary. She was found in the same region of Ethiopia in the 1970s. Ardi fills the gap between the two. Standing 3.5 feet tall, Lucy walked upright and had some chimp-like characteristics. Ardi can stand too, but she also has distinct differences. For example, the wrists and finger joints of Ardi are very flexible. This means that Ardi could have walked on 2 feet, but also climbed on 4. This evidence is more similar to some fossil apes than chimps and gorillas. Some scientists have questioned why an animal who was adapted to moving on its forelimbs in the trees changed to walk on 2 feet. The answer to some is for mating. All apes and monkeys have big canine teeth, but Ardi's are more reduced in size. This could mean that instead of fighting over women, arrangements were made. Some researchers are saying that there was a change in social behavior. Sex could have been traded for goods or food. It's hard to know who our ancestors are, because there are only so many skeletons older than 1 million years or two. But some scientists are saying that they aren't sure if Ardi is a human ancestor at all. This is primarily because the anatomy of Ardi is so unexpected. It could take more time and fossil finds to know more about Ardi and our human ancestors, but if that's what it takes to discover the common ancestor, then it's worth it.